asma any akakapel grow ni bi nti asisie ba na dwugro mu ana obi apoma twadi ahyentuma asisie ba na dwugro mu a no obi apoma twadi ahyentuma NPP no ye nananom ya abre party no NPP no ye obi ade awo me me wofa ne ban redu NPP no enye obi ade ase de omutiti social media ni nkofo bi na omukeka ni NPP no me papa odi ase ene me wofa na du asabre no omnom kopa ebosia edi chichiri dan kwabuzia club e wasanta che wo afia unim you know na the party na yo bidia ye nyina ye dia NPP party no ye dia na ye wo bi wo party no otimi sori anopa egira radio su dia so company fo wo ba na nyina atemu apa no wodi afia uni ya wudi ko ma wonte ade na mzo usu Bempah ye
na wo no nye hwe no bi akwa
ade na afia ma ye dia na maka Galamsey asem. Now we have the moral right, and I'll repeat it. If you want to come and I mean your boys, your war, let my vote count alliance. Near demonstrations, I can see Okoma say, Mama Dana, yes, and Galamsey in Ghana. Under 2012, 2013, 2014. Yeah, demonstration change Okroma. Samekan will be anti-Asia. May come because Ghana politics is saying no. I hear a level of moral high ground. Ghana elections has become so sophisticated. Yenti may you be a cock on the Dumafia. Yamika and say yeah, demonstrations are say. Mama demonstrate Galamsey a year you to a new one yet a bear afia. Na Nyamia ya 2016 ya power. Ye president Kufuado. Nanado Danko Kufuado came the presidency to the line. What did we see? The people away a party no allegedly. Bebre what do Galamsey? What is a Galamsey it me and then under Kufuado? They embarrassed the president. And then Mama about power. What moral high ground to bend at your walk? Say yeah, sorry, say we are going to attack the NDC for fight doing that the same thing that we couldn't stop.
Yeah, but the political campaign some mess of it.
Exactly. I agree. Let the people of Ghana decide. You need some moral right, you know. You need moral right. Let the people, the ordinary people out there decide. That is the point I'm making. Okay. And I will say it if my conscience, my conscience is what I speak my conscience. You understand? And it's a point. So if you have to make a just tell me say I'm wrong. What is wrong with that? Are they fighting that? Internally. At least Ghana for who's NPP for your kind of crack. Yeah, political party, yeah, democracy. Yeah, autocracy. We are not doing autocracy. If we are doing autocracy, they should tell us. Democracy, you can't say, Kabi, Namen Kabi, Chirawadre, Namen Chiramadre. Okay. And I'm a boy. I said, no, mammy, or no, mammy, yeah, dear, yeah. Not because of your mammy, Tirun kind of French. What is wrong with that? Democracy is a two different level. We need to tell the truth to each other. We know some Mama is messing up. The NDC is messing up. They have failed on Galamsey. Who doesn't know? Ghana ni be name so Oma fail Galamsey. I promise you, my wife Ghana ni afia. Ghana ni be name say Oma fail Galamsey.
Okay.
But do we have that moral right?
Okay, I understand.
Do we have that moral right?
I understand you. But why would the parties write this letter? I'm afraid one some mutual letter nana.
If you are unfriendly, if you are as I make me so be unfriendly. If you are young, we are not running a political party on our own bedroom. Ghana for rain. Near to Chroma will be to me sorry, did I saw for change for them on behalf of the new patriotic party. Also, Bempah go down on his knees and pray.
On behalf of the new minister.
They say, I don't want to glorify anybody. They say, I don't want to glorify anybody. I'm making a point.
Okay.
What you say? You vote to your correct. Now they hold position in the party. Your national executive councillor on Chesoja campaign BH. Onyina will be campaign because make Kasama Kennedy Agyapong. Kennedy Agyapong when he tin or moya. Kennedy Agyapong. I'm speaking for me who could change Facebook statement I'm making is about leadership and who should be a leader. Me can see should be say Kennedy Agyapong na ye president of Ghana ha afia galamsey no se ne ma me ba no na ye galamsey a obe discipline. That is the point.
Okay.
I was speaking in context. Man kasa ni di obi atemo. What is a makasa ni di obi atemo peni bi atem in the name of the New Patriotic Party wa. Enti we endorse certain things that help us for society mwenye papa. We want to go out there and endorse people near Shankophobic Kutupa in the name of a political candidate to be Shankodi Dinkofate. We are near certain around says our candidate in a new presidential material. What kind of a party are we running?
And now you have evidence the party system is encouraging our attack now.
That's evidence in your
occasions.
Now at the end of the day, no. Asema ye kan ye won krofo wo party mo leak information grama NDC for mo kromo to your national officers omo to na wo di agura nsema be pie no afia me unim se wo oni me nsema me nim no Dr. Bawumia e kan nsema kese a na party no se egu party na nim ase o te se ye do mo ko ba bi e friend ka se ade na me kwan de me ko ka bia I'm the only national executive officer I'm supporting Kennedy Agyapong. I'm the only national officer I'm supporting Kennedy Agyapong. Kennedy Agyapong won 18 of the years because a coba umia for the and ya frewa near kind of get to a near Janessa. I didn't know Owusu Bempah. I'm the only one that they want to attack. Now, him say, party, I what me a RGG press statement say, Omo Moko Yenina, Omo Sabio, no Moya in I am Omra. Now, who yet had you in him Crofo, Owusu Bempah, Crofo Edimechi. Unim Crofo Edimechi. I come from the heartbeat. General Secretary Nukonim said, I come from the heartbeat of Ashanti region. Mini Nipakrano. NPP Nefruma, Ashanti region. Vote to Bakukre free super power. Do you know what that means? Indiscipline, okay. It's based on principles. As some of and so because some no be coach baby, no, they because contest na no. Obia per se, one candidate, you favor one candidate, and you per se force on the Shagana for home. And if you do that, what are you doing? You practice fascism in NPP. Unim fascism if ya. Do you know fascism? Mussolini, Italy, leader be oba near friend Mussolini. And or coin a term be a friend or kind of Italian language. Mussolini sempre Aragon. As a leader, he's always right. Whatever everybody says is rubbish. One leader is always right. And it became what we call fascism. So if NPP want to practice fascism or pneumocracia, they should tell us because adia memekano adia namaka if you are someone who kubusa mi amicheche on galamsey matter, don't you get it? Say ye need moral right no we failed on galamsey and it's a fact. Why? Yes, Kufuado say I put my presidency on the line. Now me Owusu Bempah me want moral right and Timi Kasano. If you are because men too galamsey, men too be da, mean to be da. And I can swear. And you can go and check. It's not about me. It's not about individual. Me talk about my conscience. Okay. Politics na it's not about Ghana for sharing. About to Ghana for Ghana for na okay. And individual parochial interest. It's about the people of Ghana. And if you have it's about the people of Ghana. It's in Ukraine and can Ukraine and Chile. Said next time, no, if you are given the opportunity, we'll make sure we do the right thing. And I'm a here. It's way as someone will be coca, Makodi also for Biatem. Medidi penny Biatem. Makoka says, Sebi, Medi also for be a home akotono pay. In the name of NPP. My Bibiza, Kennedy Agyapong, Kobe Pam me village. Kobe Pam me. afinachi etino afia me can somewhere ya some no correct. And I'm telling the truth, and I'm daring anybody. Say me, I'm ready to defend myself anywhere. Say me, Ediana Maka, Ediana Maka, young Kanamintie. I actually let us hear the code discipline committee.